Good afternoon, everybody. It's Scott Gillum with the ShadowTrader SquawkBox video for the 14th of December. Want to give you a trade on Walmart. $15,000 to buy 100 shares of Walmart. A little too expensive. So let's do an option play. Let's do a synthetic stock replacement option. If we take a look at Walmart, that's been recommended by multiple firms as the one retailer to be in for 2024. Going out to June 21, I can buy a 155 strike, slightly out of the money, and I'm going to pay something in the neighborhood of $8 or $800 for that instead of $15,000. Now, I don't like that, so I'm going to sell an option here in the next couple of weeks at the end of the year, by the way, at the 155 strike, setting up a calendar trade, pulling in about 10% of my debit on this short call. When we look at the trade itself, calendar trade, where do we get into problems? Well, if price goes to 155, we have to then roll that short 29 December up and out another couple of weeks. If we do bi-monthly or every 2-week rolls on that 155 long and do it for about 10% of the debit each time, we have cleared this debit of $7 in about 3 or 4 months. So there's your trade. Walmart, calendar trade, long dated, June long, and the short against it here at the end of the month, and a roll every 2 weeks. Hi there, I'm Scott Gillum from the ShadowTrader SquawkBox, and I want to thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons, and if you'd like to trade with me live every day in real time, check out ShadowTrader SquawkBox at shadowtrader.net/squawk or at the link in the description below. Good trading to you all, and I'll see you in the room.